Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're going to learn how to send Tradingview alerts to Twitter and Telegram with absolutely zero coding knowledge. So here are some of the requirements that you need before configuring it, and absolutely if you are a Tradingview user you need to have a Pro or Pro Plus or a premium account for generating a webhook alerts. The alerts which is generated based on the technical analysis based and followed by that one also needs access to Microsoft Power Automation. Absolutely, it's very easy, anybody can go and log in. And absolutely again Telegram bot and Telegram channel creation one have to do, and then Twitter account is what one need to access or to transmit any alerts which are getting generated from Tradingview simultaneously. We need to transmit to Twitter and Telegram. So that is what I'm going to explain. Let's see how to configure those things. Within next 10 minutes, I'll show you how you can connect with absolutely zero coding knowledge. First of all, I'm going to create a new Telegram bot. So I'll go to add bot further. So bot further in Telegram is to create a Telegram bot. So I'll go and say like /new bot. So this is a command to create a new bot, and I'm going to enter a new bot over here. I'm going to say like TV stands for Tradingview. So TV alert is what I'm going to say. TV alert 2022 or 2021, right? So I'll say like I'll put that today's November 2021. TV alert November 2021 is the bot name I'm just creating. So the bot name do exist, and then followed by that I'm also going to give a name to that. So I'm going to say like TV alert November 2021 bot. So make sure that it is unique, and it also ends with a bot. So it creates a bot, and the bot further itself, it throws you the a simple key. So keep this key along with you. This is very, very important. Copy it and then keep it separately in a notepad. I'm just putting that in a notepad over here. This is a key, right? So this is Telegram key over here, Telegram API key. Using the secret key only, we're going to use it. So absolutely you should not share with anybody. So, in my case, I'm just sharing because it is a tutorial, so I can share it, and then I'm not going to use it for any other purposes. So once you're done with that, next thing is like going and creating a channel. So quickly I'll go and click on new channel over here. So I'll enter the channel name. I'll say like TV alerts. So Tradingview alerts. I'll say like Tradingview alerts. So I'll click on create, or I'll say like Tradingview alerts 2021. Okay. So that's a channel name. The channel got created. And I also need to give a name to that channel. So I'll say like TV alert November 2021. Okay, so the link is available, so I can go and save it. So that's the name of the channel itself. So every channel, right, you can have the username with an @ symbol in the beginning. So @TV channel November 2021. That's what I'm also going to save it. I'll also bring it to the notepad, and then I'll add user to that. I can add a user. Not only that, I have to go and add the bot as well. So I have to go and add the bot. So I'll go and add the user with an bot name. So we know that our bot name is like @TV alert November 2021 bot. That is the name of the bot itself. So you search the bot, automatically it comes in the list. So add it and click on add. Make sure that you're clicking on add, making as an admin. So make your bot as an admin and then click on save, and that's it. The bot has been now added. Right, so now once it is added, now we're going to test the bot with a simple browser-based URL, and then we're going to go and configure it automatically. Let me show you how to do that. The next step is to go and test the Telegram API. So here I had collected the Telegram API key and then the channel name. Now what I'm going to go here is I'm going to go and search for market calls, and then probably Telegram. So probably you'll be ending up with how to send Telegram alerts from Mami Broker to Telegram. So you can go to this tutorial, and from here you can go and get the URL. So this is a URL. It is a HTTP request URL to call the Telegram bot API and to send a message to the Telegram bot API. Copy this URL and bring it to your notepad, and ensure that in this URL, right? So I'm gonna replace the API key block. So here is the bot API key. I'm gonna replace it with mine. And also I'm gonna go to the chat ID. So there's a channel name is there. So remember the channel what we created. I'm also put a @ symbol over there. That @ symbol here, along with that symbol, I have to enter into my channel name. So that is what I'm gonna do over here. And the message. So message block, I'm gonna say like this, a test message. So this is a test message. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna transmit. I'll copy the information, I'll put it in a browser, so in a new browser, and then I'll press enter. So if I press enter, I should be able to get those Telegram alerts immediately over here. You can see that I'm just getting a Telegram alert over here. So it's coming to my channel, and there's a test message. So that means Telegram API is working. Now, once the Telegram API testing is done, the next step is to go to Microsoft Power Automation website. You can go to india.flow.microsoft.com. So from here, you can go and configure the Microsoft Power Automation flow over here. So I'll tell you how you can do that. It's very, very simple. So first thing is always you have to go to the create section, and from here you have to go and create the instant cloud flow. So instant cloud flow is what we're going to create. And here under the flow name, you have to search for when a HTTP is received. So that's what we're going to do over here. So when HTTP is received, I'm just going to click on that. I'm just going to scroll down at the end. I'm just finding that when a HTTP request is received, and then I'm going to click on create. And after clicking on create, right, this is what it's going to create a webhook URL. Once I hit the save, automatically it will create a webhook URL over here. So I think I need to add one more step. So I'll add one more step here. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring that response. I'm going to type for response over here. So I'm going to select response. This requires a premium account in Microsoft Power Automation. In my case, I'm already having it. So I'll click on response. So under the response, the body section, I'm going to enter I click on body. And you can see that on the extreme right hand side, I'm just having when HTTP received, HTTP request is received. I'm going to select the body over here. And now I'm going to hit a save. So if I press save button, what you might be noticing here is if I go to the HTTP request is received, you will be able to see an webhook URL. This webhook URL is what we're going to use it in Tradingview. So the Tradingview is going to send a message to this URL that will be received by Microsoft Power Automation, and whatever the message which is containing in the Tradingview, that message is what we are going to transmit to the Telegram. So let's see how to, in order to transmit to the Telegram, I'm going to click on new step over here, right? So I am going to select HTTP over here, so which brings the HTTP over here. This is the HTTP. And remember, under this method, I'll go and select the post method. So post method is as good as like you calling the URL from the browser, and the URL itself. So if you remember, we already called the URL over here. This is the URL message. So this entire message is nothing but up to text. I'm going to copy. Remember, remaining message is whatever the message, I'm going to get it from the Tradingview itself. So I'm going to enter the URL. Along with that, you can see that the text equal to, I'm going to call it as a body. So this body is nothing but the message that we extracted from the Tradingview. So from the Tradingview, it's going to transmit message to this particular URL. I'm also going to copy this URL as well. So I'm going to keep this URL. I'm going to say like this is more of a webhook URL, which is generated by Microsoft Power Automation, which is what I'm going to key in my Tradingview application. So I'm just going to copy this and just going to keep it separately. Followed by that, when this message is received, we'll be getting the information in the form of body. We are extracting the response, which is generated from the Tradingview, and that information we are posting it to Telegram application. So that is what we are doing over here. Simultaneously, we are also going to connect with Twitter as well. So let me go and click on a new step here. Add a parallel branch. Parallelly, I'm going to transmit to Twitter as well. So I'm going to type Twitter. So Twitter, and I'm going to post a tweet over here. So I'm going to post a tweet saying like, so this is a Telegram alert. Tradingview alert, and the message here is the body, what are the message that we are receiving from TradingView. I'm going to immediately transmit to my Twitter as well. So simultaneously, I'm going to transmit to Telegram as well. I'm going to transmit to Twitter as well. Let's see how this works. I'm going to save the flow. Right. The next step is the final step, which is nothing but going and creating the TradingView alert. So I'm in the TradingView charts here, and the crude oil charts is what running. So here I want to create an alert. So first of all, I'll right click and then I'll go and create a crude oil alert over here. And then I want to say like crossing up. If the price is crossing up, let's say something like 15, 25 kind of levels or 23 kind of levels, I want to generate an alert. And the webhook URL, this webhook URL is what I'm gonna get it, which I stored in the notepad, the one which we received from the Microsoft Power Automation, that flow, and that URL is what I'm gonna paste it over here. Once the URL is pasted, I'm also gonna create an alert name. I'm gonna say like Twitter and Telegram alert, Twitter and Telegram alerts. Okay, here is the message. This is the message I want to transmit to the application. Maybe since price is trading at 5517, I also say like I just want to bring the alert very closer to the price. I'll create the alert. I'll click on create, and that's it. So now any alert which is getting generated, once the price is crossing the threshold levels, the alert will be automatically and instantly will get triggered. So let me also drag very close to the price so that we get a quick alert. So if at all the price action, I'm just dragging it to 5514 plus level. If the 5514 is crossing up, maybe the alerts will be getting triggered very faster. Let's see, I'm just waiting for the alerts to get triggered. 1 point above, you can see that the alerts got triggered. So instantly you can see that the Telegram alert is getting transmitted. Via the Microsoft Power Automation. Not only that, if I go to Twitter account as well, the Twitter also generated the alerts which we got from Microsoft Power Automation. So I'll go back to my profile. So from my profile, I'll be able to see that alert which is getting generated. So I guess that is a very interesting tutorial. If you like this tutorial and you would like to get more such tutorial, kindly like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.